Nice bag on her, red bottoms on the heels. She smoke weed, pop pills, that's my little bitch. I got her nails done, 24-inch weave, hair long. She only fucking me cause I'm nigga rich. Front, side, back, car, hit my bitch. But I really like it, how she ride it. I told her put that thing on vibrate. She go irate, make it gyrate. She don't suck dick, type of bitch I hate. Ooh, shit that I hate. That's the type of shit that I hate. Type of bitch make you take her on 10 dates. Then she give you the pussy and the shit weak. Damn, type of shit that I hate. Yeah, type of shit that I hate. Whoa, that's the type of shit that I hate.
Hey, I ain't no hater, but yeah, I hate when people say I ain't no hater.
That's the type of bitch that I hate.
I feel you though, $.
Yeah.
I hate a groupie hoe with a passion. Saying that's the homie, but he smashing. I hate to see a broke bitch flashing. Chanel bag that she never keep cashing. Hate when bitches try to put you in the friend zone. Bitch, I'm trying to score, put me in the end zone. Hate to see a thick bitch on Instagram. Then the bitch show up looking like a Teddy Graham. Flat butt, fat gut, thirst bucket. That's what type of shit that I hate.
Et je vous rappelle aussi, d'abord, on fait de la CDJ.
Doing it anyway, oh yeah, just tell me where it's on your mind.
Another one.